the 2022 Ford Expedition Max. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.